from WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Okay, so we are starting you out with a lovely night tonight. We've dealt with temperatures that are fairly seasonal on into the upper 60s for today. Overcast skies coming in at least briefly right now. We should see though clearing conditions, and as a result, we'll notice temperatures falling into the 40s, which is similar for us this time of year, but we're looking at temperatures going slightly cooler than normal for us throughout the day on Monday, as we're going to be dealing with strong winds as well, making it feel even cooler to the skin. Currently, we're looking at 61 degrees out toward the Inner Harbor. Annapolis, you're at 62, even dealing with the 50s found out toward Elkton at 59. Get ready though, because temperatures are forecast to continue to drop. So hopefully you have those winter coats. I don't think you'll quite need the boots with the fur out just quite yet, but you're going to start noticing bundling up a little bit more. That little cardigan's not going to do it for you. We've dropped almost about 2 degrees in the last 24 hours in Bel Air, 3 degrees cooler out toward the Inner Harbor. But we're not the only ones that in fact are cool. There's a stretch of cooler air, I'd say, from about Maryland, pushing down toward central Florida and then back out over toward Texas. That chilly air mass is only going to stay with us for about one more day. There's a huge blob of warm air. You can see all these temperatures above average 7 to 9 degrees from Bismarck out over toward Denver. That is coming to us. So the chill's only going to be here for Monday. And then we start already going above average by Tuesday. We should see temperatures peak on Thursday. We actually have an area of high pressure that's found further out to our south, the jet stream further to the north. Those two things you'll notice for tomorrow as an area of low pressure as well riding along that jet stream gets close together. That's what's going to increase our wind speeds. Air always moves from high to low pressure. So we'll see our winds, I'd say breezy, 10 to 20 miles per hour, but we could see some gusts closer to 30 miles per hour. When you tack that on to the fact that it's already cooler than normal, it's definitely going to feel, I'd say, like late fall, maybe more like Thanksgiving-ish for you. Gets you in the mood for pumpkin pie. Then on Tuesday, that upper level low pressure system is on out of here. We only have high pressure. So our winds are now shifting, no longer grabbing that cool northwesterly breeze. Instead, we just have straight up west winds. They're lighter, only 5 to 10 miles per hour, allowing temperatures to warm up about 3 degrees. That takes us near the 70-degree mark, and from then on it just continues to climb for us for the middle half of the work week. So you really only need your cool weather supplies for you on your Monday. Here is your temperature forecast. Starting off at 7 a.m. tomorrow, you can see a lot of the 40s in locations here. 47 in Bel Air, Annapolis at 50 degrees. It would be awfully nice of you to maybe stop off and get maybe some hot chocolate, a big jug of coffee, and take that into work with you. I bet you'd be a real winner with all of your coworkers. And then by noon, temperatures are still struggling. 61 in Annapolis, not even reaching the 60-degree mark out over toward the Inner Harbor. I do think we should see these numbers though begin to climb closer to right around the 3 o'clock time frame when they'll peak into the mid-60s. Here's the deal though. We see our clear skies and the winds dropping by Tuesday morning. This could be the coldest morning thus far this fall season. We have not seen the mid-40s since October 1, and we are forecasting maybe the low 40s for Bel Air and Elkton, as well as out over toward Parkton. Then by the time we get on into Tuesday afternoon, temperatures rebound, and you can start to see them really increasing as they get a little bit more warmer than normal. So your forecast for tomorrow, this is what it will feel like factoring the winds. It will feel like 90 it'll feel like 50 degrees rather by 9 a.m. By 1 o'clock feeling like 60, and by 3 o'clock finally feeling like 64. 7-day forecast for you, officially calling 66 on Monday, that frigid night. Tuesday going up to 69. Look what happens though on Thursday. We peak at 75. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Mallory, over to you.